Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear filter in Excel. Removing filters in Excel allows you to view and work with your entire dataset, ensuring you don't miss any hidden information or make decisions based on incomplete data. So let's start the video. First, open up your Excel file that contains the data you have been working on. So this is our dataset. Next, find the data that has been filtered. You can easily spot this by looking for the small filter icons next to column headers. So these are the filter icons. Now go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. So click on Data. In Sort and Filter group, click on Clear button. So click on Clear. All the filters in your spreadsheet will be cleared and you will see the entire dataset again. You can see there is no filter icons next to column headers. Now there is also another way to clear filters. For this, click on the filter drop-down arrow in any of the filtered column headers. And then select Clear Filter From. In our case, it's Age column, so click on it. This will remove the filter from just that column while leaving any other filters intact. So that's how to clear or remove filter in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.